Hi friends, welcome to your own channel, Word is World. In this video, I am going to tell two things. One, short motivational and inspiring story. Two, one principle that states why few people are extraordinary, while the rest large number are ordinary. So watch this video till the end. Aim is to get inspired by inspiring others. Today we are going to delete the word ordinary from our subconscious dictionary. There is one old saying, by the yard it's hard, but by the inch anything is a cinch. To be extraordinary, we should work more than we are paid for. One day we will be paid more for the work we do. If you cannot do extraordinary things, do ordinary things in an extraordinary way. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is that little extra. Unless you claim extraordinary, ordinary will claim you. Ordinary people have big TV. Extraordinary people have big libraries. An extraordinary person is someone who constantly does the things that ordinary people can't or won't do. The sooner you believe you are extraordinary, the sooner others will follow. Perfection consists of not doing extraordinary things, but doing ordinary things extraordinary well. To be unique or to be extraordinary, don't complain. Let other people complain. So don't stop, because you are unique fingerprint and a special DNA that does not deserve to take its greatness to its grave. Every life on this planet is born with a special purpose and uniqueness need to be proved. It reminds me of one short and inspiring story. Every morning when the sun rises in the jungle, deer wakes up. It knows it has to run faster, more faster than the fastest lion in the jungle to survive, or it will get killed. Every morning when the sun rises in the jungle, when lion wake up, it knows it has to run faster, more faster than the slowest deer in the jungle to survive, or it will die it will starve. Moral of the story, it doesn't matter whether you are a king or an ordinary person. When sun comes up, you better be ready. To survive, you have to run faster, smarter and more efficiently than your competition. If you want to live strong, beautiful and extraordinary life. No matter what your results have been up until this point, you have the power right now to change everything. That's all. Now I'll tell you the second point, Pareto principle, also known as a 80-20 principle. In 1895, the Italian economist Wilfrid Pareto found that in Italy 20% of the people have 80% of the property and the rest 80% have 20%. Later, he found 20% of our activities will account for 80% of our results. Listen carefully. 20% of our activities will account for 80% of our results. 20% of our customers will account for 80% of our sale. 20% of our products or services will account for 80% of our profit. 20% of our task will account for 80% of our value what we do. It simply explains that even if you have goals, let's say you have 10 things on your list of goal. Out of those 10 things, 20% means upper two, the most important things will account for 80% of your bank balance, your status or the outcome. Rest 80% will be not important, that important. So you can choose in your goals what is to be done first, where priority has to be given. Extraordinary people focus on these 20% of the things, and ordinary people feel glad keeping them busy on the remaining 80%. Do you know on what ordinary people procrastinate? They procrastinate on the important 20% of the things. So they are ordinary. That means you should spend major time on the major things and minor time on the minor things. Hope I have made my point clear. That's all for the day. Please like, comment, subscribe, press the bell icon. This is Dhananjay Patil signing out till we meet again in the next video. Bye. Take care. God bless us. Bye.